Any question before we start? Any question from the previous lesson?
Sorry, is it possible to share?
Come again?
Is it possible to share the questions from the past classes?
The questions, for now, I'm not using a question paper. This one is not a question paper. It's just I just generated these figures. The questions, you'll be tired. I'll give you a lot of papers. For now, I don't want to confuse you. That's why I'm not sending a lot of question papers there. So I'll send you a lot of question papers. In fact, as we go, we'll be picking a question paper, then we do a topic. But for now, I want you to introduce the tools that we'll be using as we do a comprehensive paper. But you have a lot of them. Okay, any question? Will you be a question? We can continue. We have copied this table. Let us participate.
We've copied.
Okay. Okay, so I hope everyone has copied so that we can start at the same page. Okay, so like I said, we are starting with data validation. If you're using 2019, there's only one data validation here on data. You go on data, then there's only data validation here. But if you're using below 2019, if you are doing 2016, when you reach data validation, you need to select another data validation down. There are two data validations. Okay. In this case, we come on a different page. First, we want to come up, how do we do a list? Okay, before I go there are also instances, before I go on data validation, there are instances where you want your user to, when they click on any number that you have entered there, maybe you want the information to pop up. You can comment on the number, right? Okay, like I've commented here, if I click here, it will say basic salary can't be more than 900. This is just a comment, okay? So how do you comment? You just click, or you highlight, or you click on the cell that you want to comment, okay? You click, like for example, on Mavis Mbewe, the 5-3 salary here. So you just come here and right click and search for insert comment. Okay, just go and click there, and then it will pop up like that. It will bring the name of the computer there. If you've saved it HP, the HP will come, but you can just remove it completely, and then just write what your comment is. Okay, this is, for example, you are dealing with payroll, or maybe it's cash book. You want the user of your cash book or your payroll, when the moment they click on the figure, there's information that they need to have attention to. So for example, we can say, for example, in this case, we can say Mavis received, okay, received kwacha 5,300 kwacha only. Okay, only, and needs to refund, needs to refund 500 kwacha. Okay, 500 kwacha from the previous, okay, previous payment. Okay, I've just abbreviated that one. Payment. Okay, so the moment you click somewhere else, the comment will go. But the moment you just bring your, even if you don't click on the number, the comment will come. Maybe it's received 5,300 kwacha only. I need to refund 500 from the previous payment. Okay, it's the same as this one here. Here I've commented basic pay. Basic pay. Okay. Here I say the basic pay can't be more than 9,000. Okay. So you can comment and comment and comment, but this comment is different from data validation. Okay. Data validation also has a tool where you comment and it will tell you that you can't enter a figure more than what you have entered. You can restrict someone to enter more than what is here or less than what is here. So now, any question on the comment? So do the same with the three figures. Type any comment that you'd want to do there. Are we together?
Mr. Innocent,
Yes, madam.
can you just repeat on the, can you just repeat what you said? I think I'm behind.
On the comment.
Yes.
Okay, on the comment I said you click on the figure. Click on the figure like that. Then you right click. Then you come on insert comment. Okay, since there's a comment already there, so there will be no comment. Okay. So you come on insert comment. Down here, there's quick analysis, filter, sort, get data from table range, then insert comment. So you go and click on insert.
I've seen the insert comment.
Now when you click on insert comment, it automatically gives you a comment. So the first thing that will come here is how you log in to your computer. Your name of the computer there will pop up.
Okay.
So just delete everything there, then you write. So here for Vupe, so me I'm doing for Vupe, so I can write Vupe. Vupe was underpaid. Underpaid. Okay. By 300 kwacha. 300 kwacha. Okay. So these comments assist you. In the moment you put your cursor where you commented, the comment will come up. So they will help either you or the user of your Excel. That it reminds you that there's some detail that you need to check before you continue with the. Okay, you give the stake to the bonds or to the data. Okay, but this is not data validation. Okay, this is just a mere comment, but data validation is more like a formula. So now let's do, before we go to the formulas, the actual formula. I don't know whether you have managed to put the comments on everything. I told you the first comment is basic salary can't be more than 900. So you're telling the person that this person cannot get more than 9,000 kwacha. Okay. So Dr. Sarambewe can't get more than 9,000 kwacha. So the maximum she can get is 8,900. Then you go to Mavis Mbewe. Mavis Mbewe received the 5,300 only and needs to refund 5,000 from the previous payment. So meaning you are able to analyze your data and give some comments. So that even the person that is not a financial person can analyze that information through those comments. Okay, this just helps you to communicate to the end user of the information that you have created. These comments are very good for those that those who do reports, maybe audit reports and stuff like that. So you can usually put some basic comments inside so that you don't leave other information. Okay, any question? Are we okay? We can do the then necessarily that you can put exactly the comment I've put. If you want, you can put different comments. Okay, it's just I was just showing you how you can make comment. Okay, can we go to the next item? You okay?
Yes. Yes, you're okay.
Okay, so now what we do is let's highlight this information here. Okay, all of it here, and go on data validation. Okay, I've created very small information so that we don't have complications in terms of understanding, so that we can understand with ease. If I had put a lot of data, it was going to be difficult for us to understand the information. So audio.
So what was the comment for Mavis?
For Mavis, Mavis received 5,300 only and needs to refund 500 kwacha from the previous payment. By manual, I think the internet, because everyone is getting the audio, but it's only him. I can see here his mic is not on. Someone to tell him to activate the mic. His mic is off. Madam Ired, you can write to Mr. Emmanuel that his mic is off. He needs to activate, otherwise he won't get me. Okay. Can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So the other thing is we can highlight here. Let's go on data validation. We're having 7 minutes because you came late. We haven't utilized our 40 minutes match. So if it logs you, you need just log in. You find me already logged in. Okay. Zoom only gives us 40 minutes because we're using we haven't subscribed. Okay, so go on data validation. And then instead of settings, you go on input message. Okay. All right. Then we come on title. This message will have a title, okay?
We are supposed to highlight them.
Highlight them, highlight the numbers first. Then if you don't highlight it, will only be specific for that cell. Okay.
Then we click on which one?
Then we go on data, then data validation.
Data, then data validation.
Yes.
Then we click on data validation.
Yes. So what will be the title of our message here? We're going to put in, we can even put basic basic pay, basic pay, basic pay validity. Okay, validity. Let's hope that's the spelling. Okay, basic pay validity. Okay, so input message here will be what? So we're going to put we're going to put basic pay. Basic pay is okay. Okay, we can put the correct the correct basic pay. The correct basic
You can go in the room.
basic pay is
As baby sleep.
is in the range of 3,000 kwacha to 9,000 kwacha.
Go and play in this room or come.
9,000 kwacha. Okay. So that will be our input message. Okay, but because we want also to do something on the error, go and click on the error. Okay. So on the error here, what do you want to do when if your information is wrong, or someone has put something either more than 3,000 or I mean less than 3,000 or more than 9,000. So what we're going to do is there's a message again. Activate your microphone. Okay. So we're going to select here. Let's select. What do you want to do? A warning like this one, stop, or warning, or you want an information. So want something like stop. Okay. So that you stop a person from entering a wrong figure, right? So after you've done that, you can put.
You can go in the room.
You can put a title here. A title will be.
Go and play this room.
Enter.
Go and play.
Enter valid. Enter valid.
Go and play this room. You come in class.
Enter valid. Enter valid basic. Okay. So that will be our title there. Then we're going to be polite. We're going to write please enter only. Please. Or can say please only basic pay from 3,000 kwacha to 9,000 kwacha are allowed. Okay, we are done like that. Allowed. There is not a double here. It's like that. Okay, please only basic pay from 3,000 to 9,000 allowed. Please, if you're doing something, you can mute your mic. Okay. Please, only basic pay from 3,000 to 9,000 are allowed. If you are done up to here, you can type, we can go on, okay. Okay, right? Okay. We have abused the Gate boy. That's got a lot of messages. So what you have done there, that is data validation, right? So the message we're putting there, yes, sir.
Sorry, maybe I haven't copied the message that you've put in error message. Please only basic pay from.
Please only basic pay from 3,000 kwacha to 9,000 kwacha are allowed.
To 9,000.
Yes,